Hello students, so today we are going to solve this inverse function. Okay, so first I am going to solve this. How we are going to solve? Let's see the steps. Then I'll share few of the information regarding to this inverse function. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve this. So we have tan inverse cos x upon 1 minus sin x. Okay, so the simple rule is whatever inverse function is given, we have to convert this value into the same function. Now this is tan inverse, so inside all the function we have to convert it to tan. Simple. Okay, so let's see how. So we are going to use few identities. So cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a, and sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So these are the two identities. Now using these two, we are converting cos x and sin x. So we will write like this: tan inverse cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Easy. Now we can write it as tan inverse, now cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, so what we have done here, we have converted a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. We have used this identity. And second, we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So these are the identities which we have used. So we have applied this here, and this one is replaced by this. Okay, so we have converted like this. Okay, so now further we can write it as tan inverse, so cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon, now this is a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. We have applied here, you can see. So we can convert it as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay, now the cancelling the common term, now it has reduced to tan inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, now we'll divide by cos x by 2 the whole terms. So what will happen? It will convert into tan. So it will become tan inverse 1 plus tan x by 2 1 minus tan x by 2. Easy, because we know sin a upon cos a is equal to tan a, right? So we have applied this relation here. Okay, now we can write it as tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus 1 into tan x by 2. Okay, we know that tan pi by 4 is 1, so we have replaced this 1 as tan pi by 4. Okay, now we know that tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. This is the identity. Now we use this here. This is the same form. So this one is, we can write it as tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2. Now this is the same pattern here, right? So we can simplify this as tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So now tan inverse tan cancels, only angle will remain, pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is the simplified form. Okay, now let's understand some basics, how we have solved, why we have used all these things. So inverse function. So what we are doing exactly, we know the right angle triangle, we have an angle here, so using this angle we calculate the values. If you are taking this, then this will become the perpendicular, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse, right? This is, let it be theta. So for any trigo function, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, we are taking that basic one. So these angles represent the ratio of the corresponding sides. So sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is perpendicular upon base, because tan theta is sine upon cos. Okay. So now inverse means, now we have to find the angle. Now we have the ratio of the sides, okay, either in the simplified form or in the ratio form, and we have to find out what angle that value would be. It means theta would be in case of sine, so sine inverse perpendicular upon hypotenuse, or in case of cos is cos inverse base upon hypotenuse, or for the tan, tan inverse perpendicular upon base. Right. So this perpendicular upon base is here, means cos x is representing the perpendicular and 1 minus sin x is representing the base. So at what angle this value will come? So we have calculated. Okay. So don't get confused in general that function x is x, function inverse x is 1 upon x. Okay. But in case of trigo it's not. So sine inverse x is not 1 upon sine x. This is not correct. Okay. Because sine x is this, sine inverse x is this, and 1 by sine x is cosec x, which is this. Okay. This is sine x, sine inverse x, and this is cosec x. So sine inverse x is 1 upon sine x, which is wrong. This is not the exponent value. Okay, this is the inverse form notation. Clear? Now obviously in inverse we have certain values. The first thing is called the domain, range, and the value. So domain is the maximum value and the minimum value. Okay, so obviously for the tan is infinity and minus infinity, because tan 90 is infinity, so tan minus 90 will be minus infinity. So domain will be the lowest value and the maximum value. Within this the tan value lies inverse. Okay, I am talking about tan inverse. Okay, so range is the angle at which these value happens. So obviously it's minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. And the value, So the tan value is lying in first and the fourth quadrant. Okay, so obviously the value is perpendicular in base and lying in the first and the fourth. Here is a positive and here it will be the negative. Okay, so that's all. So just take care and we'll go with some new topics next time. Still take care.